Wait,
Oh, you got something in your teeth? Just keep rolling. We want to see
a
little inspection there. You need some floss?
a little coconut.
Okay.
A little coconut.
All right.
Okay.
Take one. Hey.
Take one. Take two.
Take three. Okay. All right. What do we got?
Hi. Today we have another Fat Bomb, what I'm calling the cream cheese series. So I just invented this. It is called the peanut butter cheesecake sundae.
Sounds
Doesn't it
delightful.
sound great? Sometimes it's all in the name.
This is my favorite. This is the most incredible keto bomb I've ever had.
Thank you.
I'm not reading it off a carb. And watch. There'll always be like one person who gives me a thumb down on this like amazing recipe.
You're tasting it wrong.
No, you got a hair out of place.
You're not,
These are critics.
you are not chewing it right.
There's always critics. And
How about
they're-
the one? You're not supposed to put it down. You're not supposed to put it
yeah,
down.
right.
That
Okay.
means you don't like it.
Well, isn't it funny though?
It's all
Like
things we just never knew
like
about eating.
even when we see a movie, there's always these critics. I want to know, what kind of training does a critic have in being a critic? Is there any
You
like
have to be very critical
Do you have to be certified?
in one way or another.
I mean, it's amazing. No matter how good a movie is or whatever, or recipe, there's one guy in the crowd.
Or two.
So,
But
anyway, these are good.
we went off track a little bit there. Oh my gosh, these are awesome. Okay, here's how to make them.